I'm Charles Payne, Head of History at Arts Ed. I teach both in day school and in the sixth form college. History is a highly respected A-level and is also a very popular degree course. If you want to study history at university, or in some cases American studies at university, you will need to study history at A-level. You don't need it for other specific courses, but the Russell Group recommends history as an excellent subject for keeping your options open when choosing a degree. At Arts Ed, we offer the AQA History AS and A-Level History course. The modules offered are the Tudors, 1485 to 1603, the Cold War, 1945 to 1991. The non-examination assessment, or rather the coursework, is added in the summer term of Year 12 and completed in the autumn term of Year 13. Students formulate a question and then conduct their own individual research to answer this, considering different interpretations and presenting their own view.